Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How do you like your eggs? Do you know how to answer that question? If you constantly forget the names of egg dishes, then this video is for you. This is a short answer quiz. You're gonna have 10 questions and 10 seconds to answer them. If you need more time, please pause the video. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel, English Clear. And for more exercises, please go to my website, englishclearclasses.blogspot.com. Question 1. What is the white part called? It's called egg whites. Question 2. What is the yellow part called? It's called egg yolk. L is silent. Number 3. What is the name of this fancy egg dish? This is a poached egg. How is it prepared? Well, you crack open an egg and dump a raw egg into simmering water for a few minutes. Number 4, what's the name of this egg dish? This is called an omelet. How about this one? This is called scrambled eggs. What do you call this one? This is called a soft-boiled egg. How about this one? This is called a hard-boiled egg. There are 3 categories: hard-boiled eggs, medium-boiled eggs, and soft-boiled eggs. What type of a dish is this? This is called sunny side up. What about this fancy dish? This is called over easy. Do you know this one? This looks like it's over medium. There are 4 types of fried eggs. Sunny side up is only fried on one side. The yolk is still runny. Over easy, over medium, and over hard are fried on both sides. So how do you like your eggs? I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you back soon.